In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to HTML web page using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a quick and reliable way to take a static document and turn it into a web-ready page you can share or integrate into a site. You'll need Adobe Acrobat Pro DC for this workflow. Not the free reader. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat Pro DC and opening the PDF you want to convert. Take a moment to confirm the document looks the way you expect: clean text, correct images, and, if possible, clear headings or bookmarks. Those structural elements can make the final web output easier to navigate. Next, access the export options. You can do this from the File menu by choosing Export to, or by selecting the Export tool in the right-hand sidebar. This is different from Save As. Export to ensures Acrobat converts your content specifically for the web format. When the Export panel opens, select HTML web page as your format. Acrobat will prepare to translate your PDF's text, images, and basic layout into standard HTML along with supporting files like images and a style sheet. This helps preserve readability while creating files that most browsers can display without issues. Before you export, you can adjust a few optional settings by clicking the gear icon. Choose whether you want a single HTML page, which keeps the entire document in one file, or multiple HTML pages, which splits longer documents into separate pages for faster loading and simpler navigation. You can also enable navigation frames based on your headings or bookmarks. If your PDF is well structured, this can produce a sidebar or top frame that helps readers jump between sections. If your document isn't heavily structured, you can leave this off for a simpler output when you are ready. Click Convert to HTML or Export. A dialog box will appear asking where to save your files. Pick a destination folder you can easily find later. Enter a clear file name and click Save. Acrobat will generate the HTML along with any required assets. For single-page exports, you'll get one main.html file and a companion folder for images and styles. For multiple-page exports, you'll see several HTML files, typically with an index file and additional pages for each section. That's it. Thanks for watching.